Queensland is home to incredible biodiversity. Our breathtaking natural landscapes and iconic native species are recognised the world over. This biodiversity, this variety of life, our unique plants, animals, habitats and ecosystems are essential to our well-being, culture, lifestyle, livelihoods and our prosperity. At Queensland Trust for Nature, we protect and enhance Queensland's biodiversity in exciting, market-changing ways. We partner to preserve, empowering more people and businesses to value and invest in biodiversity and work together to support healthy ecosystems, surviving and thriving threatened species, enlightening and inspiring research, and sustainable agriculture and rural livelihoods. We invest for impact, collaborating on projects that combine natural and financial capital and prove biodiversity makes good business sense, with returns that go far beyond the feel-good factor. Our success is driven by our deep experiences across natural landscapes, agriculture and business, integrated and efficient structures and systems, professional nous and project management expertise, science and data every step of the way, strong networks and partnerships, and specific goals, rigorous monitoring and transparent reporting. We work across Queensland's diverse bioregions on private, public, QTFN-owned and traditional owners' land, partnering with people and organisations to enhance our efforts, accelerate results and achieve a Queensland where increased biodiversity secures a healthy, prosperous and hopeful tomorrow for everyone. Queensland Trust for Nature. Biodiversity is our business.